Hello lovely friends, we are now on a Greek trip around the islands, and we've started off in the island of Skiathos. Now this is the new Mykonos, so if you've ever wanted to go to Mykonos where you think chic and sophisticated and everybody dresses up, go to Skiathos because it's a little bit quieter, but everybody looks very chic and very sophisticated, and it's all really gorgeous. It's still got that Greek laid-back vibe. So I'm going to be showing you over the next few outfits what I wore here, and then moving on to different islands as well. So we're starting off today, and I'm going to show you what I was wearing today. Part of the world. So today I wanted to share with you what I'm wearing. This is day one, we've only just got here. So I'm wearing a very budget-friendly outfit actually, but I'm hoping it's not looking like that. Now these striped shorts I think are fabulous for anything Greek, Mediterranean or nautical, anything like that. And these are, as I said, they're from H&M. They're really good price. Now I've just teamed it with a basic vest, little navy vest here, and to cover my arms because it's still very cool. It's just a little linen white shirt. Again, I think it's from H&M, so really good quality, but natural breathable fabrics, and that's really important of course. This is August, it's hot and humid here. So on my feet I've also gone for a budget-friendly version of, these are like the ancient Greek sandals, but they are literally £20. I'll link everything of course for you, but I just wanted to bring you with me. Now I just want to show you the kind of look underneath that I have. As I said, I do put the linen shirt on top, good for sun protection, good to cover the arms, but this is also great when you get really, really hot. So I just also wanted to share with you the kind of bag that I've got here. Now this is a really useful bag. Again, H&M, very economical, really roomy, just perfect for just sightseeing, strolling around these lovely little streets. So don't forget, if you haven't seen my series in May, when I was on a different island, catch up with that, and I will see you tomorrow. So we decided to have a little explore around the island, and the best and most fun way was by quad. So we hired one. So here you have the very rare, lesser spotted husband in his natural environment doing stuff, and it's a really rare sight in the other side of the camera that you might not get again. It was a really good opportunity to see the inside of the island, not just on the coast, you know, the pine-clad trees, the fabulous views of the sea. It really is a really wonderful place. So we headed up to a monastery which all the locals had recommended. It's a really calm, tranquil place, and nice and cool too, which was brilliant. And you know I love cats, and I found a couple of really sweet ones chilling out up there. And there was a wonderful cafe too, which made to die for scrambled eggs, better than I've ever tasted before. So not my most glamorous look, but it's really fun on a quad. So we hired a quad today, and we're at a monastery in the middle of the island where we are. Just to show you what I'm wearing, it's a pair of old denim shorts, it's a little top, and then this beautiful blue and white striped shirt on top. And of course we're going to the monastery, so I need to cover myself up anyway, but that's fine. And then I'm wearing these fabulous Vivaya sneakers in this gorgeous coral colour. I'm so in love with them, and they're these slip-on and slip-off ones, so they are so stress-free. Anyway, get a quad anytime you go somewhere, it's such fun. So for my evening out, I went for a bold colour. Now it's the same beautiful bold colour that I'm wearing here. Really gorgeous, nobody's child. Watch this. And I wanted to share with you what I'm wearing tonight out for dinner. Now a while ago, I did a little short video called Why I Would Never Wear It. Now this is the same dress, but the difference is this is a different design. You have to go and look at the other one to compare it. The reason why I'm wearing this same dress but in a different design is because this one is a solid colour. This as your colour is to die for. It's linen, it's nobody's child, it is such a beautiful dress, really cool, and look, this lovely V at the back, really lovely. Another thing, you probably haven't seen me with my hair up. I look a little bit different, and the reason for that is we have a bit of a technical problem with electricity today, so I couldn't dry my hair or do anything with it. So this is a new look. But having said that, here on the Greek islands in August, it's a really good idea to do something like this because it's quite hot, quite humid. So I'm going for dinner tonight, and I'm going to take you with me. So come up with me right now. Nearly there. Come on. Oh, tell you, fare stoppo lì. Thank you. Good table. Cheers. Hello lovely ladies. Now today I'm going to be wearing this beautiful linen shirt. I love to style up a great linen shirt, and particularly one with stripes. Now this is a really good one because it just fits beautifully with the Mediterranean vibe. Either if you're on holiday or even when you're at home, it has the most gorgeous colour blue stripes, blue and white, and styling it up like this. I just wanted to show you what I've done here. I popped on just a basic cami, and underneath those I have these to die for Sinead Kiri scallop edged shorts. Now what I think they do, I mean they are a linen blend, linen and viscose, and what they do is they really elevate the look of a basic pair of shorts. You know, so you've really got a great sort of jazzy looking outfit, but all it is a top, a pair of shorts and a shirt. But the other thing about it is that these lines, these vertical lines are really flattering. Not only that, because they're nice and strong and they go downwards, make you look taller and slimmer, but also the fact that there's no belt, you don't get a horizontal line because these shorts are just fabulous. They don't need a belt, but the back of them is elasticated, so that's even better. And the whole thing becomes a column of color going down the body. Now the other thing that I've also done here, which I just wanted to share with you, are these beautiful pieces of jewellery. Now you know that I'm on the Greek islands at the moment, so I thought the most appropriate thing was to wear some gold, 18 karat gold vermeil plated on sterling silver necklaces with, this one is Athena, and I love this because she's the goddess of empowerment, so that is really great for the way I feel about our wonderful community. And this one here is Aphrodite, the goddess of love. So you know, it's just romantic but mixed with empowerment for us ladies. So that's today's outfit, ladies. So what do you wear when you don't want to wear shorts? I tell you what you wear, ladies. It's a really jazzy little number, some lovely printed, abstract printed trousers like these, and I've gone a little bit brown with the whole look tonight. We're coming to a beach bar here, and you probably hear the noise, apologies for that, but this is a lovely little brown sort of outfit, and these are very cheap. As I said, a lovely abstract colour, abstract design with the chestnut, the dark brown, bit of ivory to give it some lift. Looks a little bit funky, quite young and vibey, you know. And this is just an old white, old brown vest top that I've got, which I've just put with it. And then you just jazz it up with some beautiful jewellery like these lovely, lovely, lovely Athena and Aphrodite necklaces, which I absolutely adore. And then you combine it with brown sunglasses, and then the whole thing looks really, really cohesive. And they're so cool because it's viscose, it's breathable, and it's a great alternative to a pair of shorts for your holiday. So I felt really comfortable in this next outfit. It's a sort of look that could take you from the day to night really easily. So I just want to show you that it's got some of the essential things that I think are perfect for summer. Now this one in particular I wanted to show you today because I think it includes 5 sort of essentials for elevating your summer look. Now first of all, one thing that I absolutely love in summertime is something like this. Beautiful white 100% cotton maxi skirt. Well, it would be a midi if you weren't 5'4". Absolutely beautiful. It's lined as well under here, but it's very, very light cotton. It's absolutely gorgeous, very comfortable, elasticated waist, and I think a white skirt like this would be absolutely perfect to elevate the summer looks. Now what I've done with it is I've added a fitted black top. Now if you prefer another color, that's obviously perfect. This would go really well with coral or a bright color or even pattern, but the idea is obviously to balance balance out the fuller skirt, something fitted at the top. And also, if it's a maxi skirt, show a little bit of skin, because then that helps to balance it as well. Now, the third summer essential that I think is essential is a great tote bag, quite a large one. If you're anything like me, I take everything in it, and you can just throw everything in and just choose one that coordinates just roughly with the color scheme that you're wearing. Now, the next thing are sunglasses. Now, with this sort of a look where you've got two strong colors, obviously you could go with the black ones like I have, or why not go for fun, chic little numbers like this. These are one of my favorites at the moment. Really chic, really jazz things up. You don't need to go so dressy if you don't want to. This could be really relaxed, but I just think that's a fun thing. And then the last thing to put on are some sort of slides or mules, which are comfy for you. These are great because they're flat and they keep my feet in, which is really nice. Picks up the black, picks up a little bit of the paler color in the raffia. And those, I think, are some of the 5 essentials that will really elevate your summer look. Of course, no summer holiday in the Greek islands would be complete without some kind of swimwear. So here I'm styling it in a way that doesn't show absolutely everything, and I think it looks put together at the same time. This red swimsuit is a bit of a statement, of course, because, you know, red is, but I love the shape, and the ruching effect is very forgiving around the tummy. Then all I've done is I've just popped on a pair of light linen trousers, which are a great idea to put on over any swimsuit with any top for a bit more modesty or for every day. So one really good idea when you're on holiday, or even at home if you're relaxing around the house, if you want to wear something that's really, really cool, but you don't want to wear a bikini and you don't want to wear shorts, is this. Now, this is basically just a little sarong, but it's a particular shape of sarong. Let me show you. It's like that. So it's long and oblong, and then all you do is you tie it up in a little bow like that. This is 100% cotton, and it's got a lovely sort of a Greeky sort of feel to it, which is because I'm in Greece, but it's so cool. It's really breathable, it looks the part, and you know, it's basically the length of a skirt, but you feel so much more relaxed and chilled, casual, and kind of like a holiday maker in it. And just before I go, I really wanted to share with you a spectacular celebration that we went to last night on this island. It's a religious festival. It's called Agosto, which happens all over Greece and Italy actually too on the 15th of August. So really enjoy that. So I really hope you've enjoyed this slightly different video, ladies. I love to take you with me when I travel around, and I love your comments, please. And if you have loved it, please click on the like button and subscribe, of course. Now, I've linked everything under the video for you too. Have a great day, and I'll see you really soon for more styling videos. Bye.